Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about using Rufus to create bootable USBs for Linux. If you've ever wanted to try Linux or need a live USB for troubleshooting, Rufus makes the process fast and simple. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. So, why use Rufus for Linux ISOs? Rufus is lightweight, fast, and reliable, and it supports a wide range of Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and many more. It helps you create a bootable USB that works on both modern UEFI systems and older B iOS machines. To get started, plug in your USB drive and open Rufus. Select your USB from the Device menu, then choose your Linux ISO file. For most modern PCs, pick GPT as the partition scheme and FAT32 as the file system. This ensures compatibility with UEFI systems and secure boot. If you're working with an older B iOS system, MBR is usually the safer option. Rufus also gives you the option to write in ISO or DD mode. ISO mode is usually fine for most Linux distributions, but some distros require DD mode to work properly. You'll see Rufus prompt you if the ISO requires it, so just follow the recommended setting. A few tips for success. Always back up your USB drive since formatting will erase all data, verify your Linux ISO before starting, and make sure your system firmware matches the partition scheme you choose. Following these steps will make your Linux bootable USB smooth and reliable. In short, Rufus makes creating Linux bootable USBs easy, fast, and compatible with a wide range of systems. Whether you want to test Linux, run a live environment, or install it on a PC, Rufus is a great tool to get the job done. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who want to try Linux, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.